at that. Woohoo! We're moving the cars around because the Honda here isn't very good for the icy hillside. The sleet began probably about 20 minutes ago, and I think it's about to change over into snow. This is what it's like. Woohoo! What's wrong, doggies? You don't like it? Eh? You don't like it? Stell's ready to go back in. Oh boy, fun. Ooh, such fun that this is. Woohoo! Unfortunately, the sleet has begun. It's been very short-lived. I think temperatures are warm, but it's changing over quickly to snow. So we're gonna give it a test run up this hill. Wow, look at all the leaves. So I'll get out there and get those leaves sometime. Not today. Let's see how we do here. Are we slipping? Because you know the Honda is two-wheel drive. I'm a little worried about it getting in those leaves and stuff and slipping down the hillside. There's the Honda there. Park. Whoops. Park over here for a little bit. Move the Honda. Well, wish us luck. Here we go. So we made it down the hill. Now for the backing maneuver into the garage. The most hazardous part of this is our garage is too full of crap. Now it's all tapered off. We got a nice little break in the weather. I don't think it's really raining. Yeah, it's sleeting with a few, looks like flakes mixed in. Snowflakes, not dandruff. Speaking of dandruff, like my hat. Woohoo! Try not to hit the freezer or the toolbox. All right, we are docked. Deep Mada. Yucky stuff. Well, somebody's ambitious. Ooh, yuck, it's starting to sleet heavy again. Ugh. Well, the dongs sure have the right idea. Yep, it's winter. Oh boy. You don't know what to think, do you, Jimmy?
Oh, look at Stella playing.
Come on, come on, come on, Jimmy. Come on, come on. Yucky.
Jim. Really, Jim?
Hey, how you doing? So what's the damage? Couple inches, but yeah, I think it was definitely a blizzard, and it's starting to taper off now about 6:30. So I'm getting ready to go to bed early because it's probably going to be a busy morning trying to get to work. So fun.